AGTOS delivers customized wheel blast technology, descaling, rust removal, deburring, paint removal, surface roughening, cleaning, removal of casting sand, hardening. The transport systems for these applications are tailored to meet the most varied needs of our customers. Our team draws on an enormous wealth of experience in the development, design, and manufacture of this equipment. We place special emphasis on providing perfect service for our customers. And this applies not only to AGTOS blasting equipment, but also to many other makes. The sale of modernized equipment from a diverse range of other manufacturers complements our own product lineup. Let's take a look at how AGTOS customers use their blasting equipment. At a foundry in Rheine, for example, we have 3 units that are used to clean castings. Here, 2 MR850 tumble blast machines have been installed side by side, so they can be loaded alternately, ensuring a constant material flow of bulk parts.
Wir von der Eisengießerei Reckers arbeiten mit den Putztrommeln von der Firma AGTOS, in der wir Teile von 1 Kilo bis 80 Kilo strahlen.
The fast-operating lightweight gates are integrated into the safety circuit, ensuring that no one is standing in the danger zone of the loader. In a single load, 2 turbines clean a maximum workpiece weight of 1,600 kilograms. The blasting performance of the Type 4-6 turbines has been selected to ensure that all workpiece surfaces are reliably cleaned of residue. A hanger-type blast machine is also available for workpieces that are too sensitive for this kind of treatment, or for workpieces whose geometry is incompatible with this kind of bulk handling. All of the castings produced here can be cleaned in this unit, whose entry area is large enough to accept workpieces with diameters up to 1,600 millimeters and heights up to 2,000 millimeters. The central blasting chamber is equipped with 4 turbines, arranged in staggered positions, that blast the rotating workpieces. When the gates of the exit area open, they reveal an impressive blasting result. In this example, a machinery maker located in Svehla manufactures production equipment for the concrete goods industry. Every day, many meters of the most varied steel sections are used to manufacture this equipment.
Anfang 2008 haben wir unsere alte Strahlanlage durch eine neue AGTOS-Anlage ersetzt. Das ist eine Rollenbandstrahlanlage. Um hohe Schweißkonstruktionen zu strahlen, können wir im Ein- und Auslauf die Tore heben und senken.
The blasting cabin, which is made of hardened manganese steel, has a variable entry vestibule that will accept workpieces with heights of up to 1,100 millimeters. High-performance turbines, Type 363, are aimed at the transiting workpieces from above and below. At the currently selected transport speed of 1.5 meters per minute, all workpiece surfaces are thoroughly cleaned of rust and scale. Operators can thus easily adjust the desired degree of cleanliness for the workpiece to any desired level. We find a much different design in the following plant. Every day, the production facility of the well-known axle manufacturer, BWP Bergische Achsen, uses large quantities of small parts, which are generally made by laser cutting. In addition to small amounts of rust, firing residue and burrs must also be removed. In particular, small flat workpieces cannot get caught in this type of machine and cause batch contamination. When fully loaded, the drum has a capacity of 1,300 kilograms. The turbines run at 36 amp hours for a period of 360 seconds. Dust is then removed and the batch exits via the outlet on the side of the drum. As soon as the safety gate goes up, the box containing the blasted parts can be removed. Blasting with steel shot does more than just clean a workpiece. In the case of the springs manufactured at Thema Federn in Finnentrop, our steel mill tumble blast machine is used to harden the steel. This unit is centrally located in the production building and operates for many hours during every shift. The load width of the steel mill is 1,600 millimeters, and the load capacity is 1,500 kilograms. The two high-performance AGTOS turbines guarantee complete blasting coverage of the loaded workpieces. The fact that the dust-free workpieces have such a wonderful appearance when blasting is finished, and that they can now be advantageously coated, is a nice bonus to the blasting process. This truly compact design has an overall footprint measuring just 3,750 by 6,860 millimeters. This MG180 blasting unit is also used to blast small parts at the Debus Glühen factory in Kreuztal.
Wir bei der Firma Debus strahlen in dieser AGTOS Strahlanlage Bauteile bis eine Maximallänge von 400 mm und ein Gesamtgewicht pro Strahlung von 400 Kilogramm.
This job contractor has no permanent repertoire of parts, but rather adapts to the needs of its customers. No automatic programming is required here because blasting and cleaning times are set as needed, and the process is started with the push of a button. With its Hubbock PF40601 filter, this unit integrates easily into any production environment. At Stahlhandel Jukkar, a dealer in steel based in Dolmen, small parts are defined in a different way.
Also wir von der Firma Jukkar bieten mehrere Möglichkeiten der Oberflächenbehandlung, unter anderem das Strahlen. Bei den Längen unter 1,60 Meter müssen wir dieses Fahrgestell benutzen, damit die Sachen nicht in die Strahlanlage fallen. Ab 1,60 Meter bis 15 Meter kann man diese Profilträger auf die Rollbahn legen. Die Sachen laufen in die Strahlanlage rein und werden von allen Seiten gestrahlt.
The roller conveyor blast unit installed here has been in use for quite some time and is equipped with 4 AGTOS Type 361 high-performance turbines. These turbines make it easy to clean workpieces to the SA 2 1/2 standard that is customary for the steel trade. The unit can be loaded, operated, and unloaded by a single person. For Josef Leicht, a well-known equipment manufacturer based in Hallstatt, we designed a larger blasting unit that is capable of vertically transporting steel plates and even steel assemblies. The maximum workpiece dimensions for this unit are 3,000 by 6,000 millimeters. The plates are moved to an upright position by this hydraulic tilt mechanism, which allows for effective blasting of both sides of the plates. A 10-degree deviation from the perpendicular ensures that no expended blast media is left behind on the plate's broad cross-section. Depending on the workpiece, up to 12 turbines, each with a motor rating of 7.5 kilowatts, provide for excellent surface coverage during the removal of rust and scale. The unit was enclosed in a protective housing to reduce noise levels. Let's end our tour by visiting the Filthout Company, a bronze foundry based in Iserlohn, where a virtually endless variety of decorative and everyday objects are cast and removed from their molds by hand.
Wir bei der Firma Filthout strahlen mit der AGTOS-Anlage Gussteile aus Neusilber, Messing, Aluminium und Rotguss mit Stückgewichten von 10 Gramm bis ca. 5 Kilo.
The suspended workpiece clusters, which remind us of grape clusters on a vine, are moved into the blasting cabin where they rotate during the treatment process. Variable turbine speeds make it possible to adjust the ejection energy to the type of material currently in use. The type PF4092 filtration unit ensures a lasting and clean blasting result. Gear wheels made in Friedrichshafen are used to drive vehicles all over the world. We're here at the Friedrichshafen plant of the company ZF Friedrichshafen AG. We operate the AGTOS continuous blast unit in 3 8-hour shifts. All of the components we produce must be blasted. The AGTOS unit is equipped with a wire mesh conveyor made of manganese steel. The conveyor transports the workpieces to the blast turbines, causing them to become metallically clean. 4 fully automatic blast units, which are equipped with a continuous transport system, are used here around the clock. As a rule, workpieces are fed to the blast unit by a conveyor that is integrated in the production sequence. But small special batches can be loaded at any time by hand. Changes in the blast parameters or the transport mechanism are not required. A special feature of this blast unit is the wire mesh conveyor seen here. It allows for the simultaneous treatment of the top and bottom side of the workpiece so that workpieces can be cleaned on all sides during a single pass through the blast unit. The metallically clean surfaces of these gear wheels illustrate the unit's high level of efficiency. Because the next workpieces have not yet arrived, we have time to take a closer look at the heart of the unit, the blasting chamber. We open the soundproof doors, the blasting chamber's maintenance openings, and then the unit's protective anti-wear lining. The transport conveyor passes by 2 groups of 4 high-performance turbines, which blast both sides, as well as the tops and bottoms of the workpieces, from staggered angles.
Jungheinrich lift trucks and forklifts are used by clients all over the world. Today we will show you the tasks for which our continuous overhead rail shot blast machine is used in this facility. The workpieces processed by the shot blast machine are welded components with a size of up to 1,800 by 1,800 millimeters, a length of up to 7 meters and a weight of up to 4 tons. Before the components can be powder coated, production residues such as forging scales, protective lacquers, welding beads and rust must be removed. The blasting chamber is sealed by a double door, which is used for sound protection on the one hand, but also serves to reliably prevent the escape of stray abrasive. A labyrinth of brush strips and rubber lips reliably seals the conveyor groove at the top of the blasting chamber. 8 turbines positioned at offset angles ensure an even impact on all accessible surfaces. The abrasive is released as soon as the workpiece reaches the blasting zone. Areas inside the blast chamber which are subject to direct impact with abrasive have additionally been equipped with wearing plates made of manganese hard steel. Behind the blast chamber is a manual blow-off and suction cabin. A large noise protection housing has been installed to minimize the blasting system's acoustic emissions. Now, component-specific masking for the subsequent powder coating step can be carried out at the next stop.